why else should a real estate investor hire a property manager?
One area that is one of the most litigated areas in landlord-tenant law, and it's how you pick the person that's going to live in your property. You would think that this is relatively easy, but it's not, because there's federal protected classes, there's state protected classes, and for the most part, somebody belongs to one of them. There's very few people that don't belong to any of them. If you make a decision on who's going to live in your property, whether you factored in a protected class or not is almost irrelevant. What matters is, did the person think that you maybe made a decision based on a protected class? And the burden of proof is on you to prove that you didn't, because you're not going to, I suppose you could end up in a court of law, but there's the Fair Housing Department. They're the ones that are going to go, okay, so-and-so says you discriminated against them. Prove to us how you didn't. And if you don't have that type of documentation, those types of policies, which I'm here to tell you, mom and pop landlords just don't. They don't have the capacity or the time. Then that's a big risk for managing on your own. The management company, the good ones, that's easy. Yeah, here's our screening policy. Here's how we approve applications. Here's this, here's that. It's all documented because it's an actual business, which is why I go back to my original point. You have to run this like a business. If you don't, you're just asking for problems.